Hey everyone. Hello everyone. It's September 1st, Sunday, and I'm 2 weeks late getting my fall lettuces and small seeds started, but we're still doing the 90s with the extreme humidity, and I was just afraid that if I got these plants going that I wouldn't be able to do anything with them as they got too big because it's just too hot to put them out. So I'm going to get them started today. I've gone through and selected a bunch. Because I'm going to be doing lettuce and other things that have really small seeds, I like to use a seed starting mix. It can be what I got at the store this time was Jiffy. I think it was on sale at Walmart. Jiffy works. Miracle Grow makes one. Fairy Morse makes one. Doesn't matter as long as what you're looking for is this real fine texture. The lettuce seeds and cabbage seeds are very small, and I don't want them buried underneath a little piece of peat moss. Now the downside is that this stuff is like impossible to get wet. So before I plant the seeds, I'm going to add some water to it to at least get this peat moss started in here. With some moisture. Plastic putty knives from the box store, about the most useful things you have. It's like I'm always grabbing one. See all that water I just put in, it just completely disappeared. By the time, if you wait and water it all after you've planted those little tiny seeds, who knows where they'll be. So you got to get a head start on the moisture problem. As you can see over here on my racks, I can do 2 of these nice big bins. It's a 4-foot rack. And then I have this little 14-inch space. It won't quite fit another one of these bins. When I use a plastic sweater box, I can't get all the way back. So what I'm going to try is some of these cooking pans, because see, that's going to fit in there. And I believe that may give me better use of my lights under there. I'm going to be trying one of these cooking pans. You get these at the dollar store. I got some at Big Lots for $2 a piece, and the $2 one comes with the plastic top, so I figured that gives me the built-in little greenhouse. And we'll see how that works fitting into my space there. I'm using these little small 6-packs because I'm doing really tiny seeds, and I want to start a lot of them in a small space. So easiest if I just buy small squares. So this little aluminum throwaway broiling pan will hold 8 of these things. So as you can see, I've got the 8 pans, all 8 little seed starts ready to go. So now it's time to start planting. I've picked out the different seeds and made the little labels. I'm going to do a Chinese slow bolt cabbage, Swiss chard. My favorite kind of bok choy is a choi. Going to do 2 squares of those. So we're going to start off with, as you can see, these are really tiny seeds, and I'm going to try and go with like 2, maybe 3 seeds in each square. I could go 1 seed and fill in what doesn't sprout, but I've got a little time problem, and these need to get in and up so they can go in the ground. So We're going to go 3 seeds in each one. Let's see, Swiss chard comes next. This one's some So True seeds. Swiss chard's a big one because you can get multiple plants out of each one. So I just put 1 in each square. And a little poke. Then we go to the choi, bok choy. This doesn't give you quite as much of the white ribbing in a bok choy, but the greens are just incredible. It's not as big as the monster bok choy, but it's a whole lot bigger than a little baby, so it's just a better size for us. So once again, I'm gonna go with 2-3 seeds in each little square. As you can see, they are really tiny. So each little square is going to get a couple of seeds. Means I'll be thinning, but that's alright because I want to get these in. I want to make sure that I get 12 plants. So that takes care of those. Then the Roots and Refuge lady talked about Seeds Now being a place where you could get some smaller packs of seed. And I signed up for their newsletter, and they sent me a bunch of coupons and all kinds of stuff, so I ordered just a pot full of stuff from them. They have little packets that are $1, $2 a piece. You don't get as many seeds, but like this crisp head lettuce, it's approximately 190 seeds. That's a lot of lettuce seeds. So the fact that I didn't get 500, I can live with 190. So we're going to plant some of these, and they come in just little plastic envelopes, but you can see exactly what's in it. So I got some crisp head lettuce, arugula, a salad bowl lettuce, see if I could sneak in a quickie tomato, tiny Tim, and a cauliflower. Now these are not things, you know, $4.50 $5 for a package of seeds. I'm not going to try cauliflower. It almost never grows here. But for 99 cents or $2, I'll give it a try. If it works, fantastic. Gonna put a couple of seeds in each little square. Need a couple more. Frankly, it occurs to me getting fresh seed every year, every other year, because I'm too cheap to throw away what's left of 500 seeds after several years. Kind of dumb economy. So I've still got plenty of seeds here for planting out next spring. My garden's not that huge. Then we're going to try this crisp head lettuce. Here we are. You can see that seed. You get a little picture so you know what it looks like. The purity. 190 seeds again. You know, I'm doing a 6-pack. If I do 3 seeds in each, I need 18 seeds. This 190 seeds is enough seeds for a long time. So there's 3. There's like 6. And my tiny Tim tomato. Supposed to be a little short tomato, never grown tiny Tims before, so I'll put these in pots for sure, and if the cold weather comes early, I'll just bring them in the house and grow them, finish them off under lights. Give me some of them little tomatoes. So, it's seedsnow.com. First time I've ordered from them. Seeds look like they're good to me. And we got arugula. I'm still going to have this lettuce salad bowl, so I'll have to start up another tray. That's all right, I can find other things to put in it. Here again, we're looking at really tiny seeds. That's why I want to use this really fine sifted seed starting mix. 48 little cells started. Give them a little cover up here. These large ones here, I can sprinkle a little more soil on top. And make sure everybody's got good contact. Now this tray is watertight, so I can put water in the bottom and let it soak up to these plants. Or I can spritz them, get them started. Little spray head. The soil's got some dampness to it because I added all that water. So there's 8 6-packs. There's our little greenhouse cover, and I'll work them a spot here on the lighting, and these will be off and running. So we'll see how my new little greenhouse contraption works. Looks pretty nice, good fit, and it's going to slide right into my space. So get your plants started. This is northeast of Atlanta, zone 7, starting up the fall garden seeds. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, hit the thumbs up and please subscribe so you find out more about what's going on here in our garden, and maybe it'll give you some help figuring out what to do with yours. Thank you for watching.